WooFDriver's Werewolves.
Huh? It said something at one time, but that was all it said. Alright, well, we're going to move on if you don't want to talk to us. Let's see if we can find some more of this town as we walk back down the trail. Help us find a cemetery. There's the boys. Can you tell us where the cemetery is? Are we on the right trail? Why don't you want to talk to us? My name's Curtis.
My name is Bill. This is Chris. Came from Baltimore and Virginia. Dogs waiting for us.
Yeah, did you see the dogs down the hill there? Well, here, let's do this. Let me put that back in the bag. I'll just walk along with this, and if we pick anything up along the way, we'll stop. Huh?
I said, you want me to put the SB11 on forward and backwards, or do you just...
We can run either one of them. This thing's probably easier here because it's...
Yeah, it's lower. That's cool.
I wish we could find that cemetery. Maybe the ghost will tell us when we get to it. Alright, I'll just leave this one out. Oh.
Dude, Curtis, look at that.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
It's picking that shirt up.
That's cool. They picked a wolf up.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're going on. What's that?
It's like a little big person.
You hear that, boys? Of course, when we're leaving, it says something. Can y'all help us find the cemetery? It's obviously going to be buried over in these woods somewhere. Well, as low as this is, this looks like it was an old walking path or something. Yeah. Can you help us find the cemetery?
WooFDriver's Werewolves.